Hi guys, so welcome back to another video. I'm here in my room with my dog, and my daughter is holding my dog, but she was saying, can the dog be in the intro? And I was like, sure, why not? Here he is. All right, I hope you guys are having such a great day. Today is Saturday. I am going to share with you guys how I clean my bathroom, and it's really not that fancy. I haven't even decorated or anything. I didn't go and show you guys the bathroom, and I'm gonna go and clean it up for you guys so you guys can see it. I cannot wait for this video because I love making these videos. They're so fun, and yeah, I hope you guys like it. And look at my little dog. He's so cute. Look at him. He's so cute. He likes the cuddles a lot. He loves the cuddles. Go to my bathroom. Alright, you guys, so I was waiting for my camera to get charged so I can finally start the cleaning. So I'm gonna share with you guys what I'm gonna be using for my bathroom. So here, I'm gonna switch you guys over to show you guys what I'm gonna be using to clean. So obviously I'm gonna be using this little scrubber for the toilet, Clorox for the toilet, disinfecting spray, Comment, there we go. The bleach, I'll be putting this all around the shower tub, be using as well. The solution that I like to use, I'll be using this one for the mirror, toilet, and the faucets and stuff like that. Okay, so it's only water and vinegar. Okay, so I'm gonna be getting a rag. I'll be using this little rag right here so I can clean you guys, show you guys my amazing bathroom. So let's go. All right, so as you come in, this is what you see. So over here are my cabinets and the sink and this huge mirror. It's all right there, and it's a huge mess. Even though you guys can't see that it's messy, but it needs to get cleaned. It's been a while that I haven't cleaned it. And over here is my amazing toilet, and I have that thing that I fill it up, the basket, I fill it up with toilet paper, but obviously there's not. I'm gonna go ahead and stock that up too as well. And obviously there's nothing over here. It's just plain windows, not windows, walls. And down here is my lovely rug. And over here, this is the shower the shower curtain that I did have in my other house. I just love it because, look, check these out. Tassels, I think that's what it's called, all throughout the edge right here. And I love it. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up and share with you guys what it looks inside. It's nothing that fancy, but it needs to get cleaned here. So yeah, this is what I'm gonna be doing right now. So I'm gonna start off with taking all of the stuff out and starting to spray all of my products. So let's get started. Alright, you guys, so now that you saw that I like to start off sweeping out all of my bathroom before I start cleaning, and then I like to move on with the toilet seat, and I'm going to go ahead and put this liquid all around the toilet bowl. And all I'm using is this Clorox gel. I was running super low on it, but I just went ahead and poured it all over the toilet. And then I came around with this lovely powder. I just poured it all over the toilet seat. And I'm gonna go ahead and disinfect the whole shower with this Clorox disinfecting spray. All right, you guys, so right here I am going to use my favorite stuff at all time is vinegar mixed with water. And all I'm doing right now is just sprayed it over on my rag, and I went ahead and just wiped up there. I know you guys can't see, but there's like light fixtures up there. So I'm cleaning those up because they're filled with lots of dust. But yeah, you guys, this is my favorite stuff to use, and I use it for everything, for like the mirrors and like the sink faucet. This stuff is literally magic. I love it. Okay, you guys, so as I was saying, here I am spraying the shower faucet with my vinegar and water solution, and I'm just spraying it and using a rag, and I'm just going ahead and wiping it all off. And I cannot stress enough how this thing literally works. It leaves the stuff looking super shiny. I love it. I don't even like the smell of vinegar, but just the fact that it leaves my stuff squeaky clean, I am obsessed. You guys gotta try it out. Alright, you guys, so I am almost done. So what I'm doing right now is just putting all of my stuff back where they belong. And this is like my favorite part because I'm almost close on being done. So what I'm doing right now is I'm going to use, of course, my solution, vinegar and water, and I'm going to grab every little thing, and I'm going to wipe it down. That way it won't go back with any dust, and that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm wiping it over right now, as you guys can see. Alright, you guys, so I am finally done, and this is what my bathroom turned out, and I absolutely love it. It is so much cleaner, and I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. It was nice and easy on how I clean my bathroom. I hope you guys liked it, and if you guys haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like for more videos, and I hope you guys enjoy and get inspired as well.